You probably use AI almost each and every day. But have you ever asked yourself a question? Who are the people who helped build the AI that's changing our lives today? Today I'm going to tell you the story of one of them, and his journey started long even before ChatGPT became famous. This is the story of Sam Altman. Welcome back to day 14 of my 30-day public speaking challenge with ChatGPT. Every day I'm using ChatGPT to coach me to become a confident public speaker. I've been doing this for all over 13 days back, but today it's something different. Today I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me do research, learn something which I want to tell a story to people. I'm going to be in the camera, then I give a brief story. I give a story of one of the person who is behind the creation of OpenAI. I want ChatGPT to help me in this, and I think it will help me. This is the script I used this time round. I asked ChatGPT using this prompt: act as my research and public speaking coach. Teach me the story of Sam Altman, his early career, his work at the foundation of founding of OpenAI, and how OpenAI eventually became one of the most influential AI companies right now. Explain it in a storytelling format that I can understand and later explain to other people. Separate facts from anything uncertain. I want you to give me clear details on his career. Guys, I used this prompt and I think I got exactly what I expected or what I wanted. And guys, this is where I realized something. If I wanted to tell this story well, as it has to be, I couldn't just memorize facts. I had to understand the entire journey, not just memorizing words or what ChatGPT gave me, but I had to get to understand every concept, his journey, every facts in his life, so that I can give a true story of him. So, learning the story wasn't enough. I had to practice telling it. So I took what I learned and practiced it into the camera to see how audible I'll be, to see how accurate I'll be, to see will I follow what I've been learning all over through these past 13 days and practice it in this video. Let's see the video. Let's watch it together. Am I good or not? You can comment it down and see. Let's watch together. Sam Altman became known in Silicon Valley long before ChatGPT. He was an entrepreneur and later became president of Y Combinator, one of the world's best-known setup accelerators. Then came 2015. Altman became one of the people who founded OpenAI, originally created as a non-profit AI research organization. The goal was ambitious: to build artificial general intelligence that would benefit humanity. OpenAI's original announcement says the organization was founded in 2015, and its Altman and Elon Musk as co-chairs, alongside founding researchers and engineers including Greg Brockman and Sat Skever. That's what I know about this man. He's really a great man. That's what I can tell you about the research, even before 2015. Because most people knows about starting from 2015. But when you look back, you look before 2015, you can find out that he was really a great man from Silicon Valley. At the time, most ordinary people weren't talking about ChatGPT, but OpenAI was working towards something much bigger than expected. And eventually, AI went from something most people barely thought about to something millions of people could use today. And here's the part that really caught my attention. OpenAI wasn't created as a normal company chasing profits. No, it started as a non-profit organization. And I got to realize something. These big companies, they didn't start chasing profits. No, not really. Some of them, or most of them, by the way, they started helping people, not chasing profits or revenue. No, they were helping people. Then after, example like this for this man, it changed because the organizations needed enormous amounts of computing power and funding to continue developing advanced AI. That's why it advanced from being just a non-profit to a profit organization. But at first it was a non-profit, just a free to help people. So AI eventually changed its structure to help scale its research and development. That's why they say they changed its structure from non-profit to profit. And then AI started moving into the hands of ordinary people like me myself. I'm using ChatGPT, and the knowledge, the mind was for that man. And that left me with a question. What does it actually take to build something that changes the way millions of people live and work? Is it intelligence? Is it money? Is it technology? Or is it the ability to see the future before anyone else does? I think this is really where ChatGPT became useful again in my life. I wasn't using it to replace my thinking, no. I used I used it to help me do research, help me organize the story, challenge me, challenge my understanding, and prepare me to give a good speech. Then I had to do as part myself. For it, its role was to give me or to guide me through the process. Then the rest of everything was on my side. Stand in front of the camera, start start airing out or speaking out the story. That's what I was supposed to do. And I think this is something which which is very cool because I'm learning new things. I'm I'm improving my confidence. The AI is building the person I wanted to be. Not even I wanted, but I dreamed to. So day 14 taught me something I didn't even expect. Learning a skill isn't always about practicing the skill directly, that same skill directly. No. Sometimes you can learn by studying people who are already extraordinary, who are already doing things which are extraordinary. Then you take what you've learned and start practicing that. Like after doing research, after studying those people who are already extraordinary in the skill I'm learning, then I can start practicing myself. But I can learn even by watching or following those people who are already extraordinary in the skill I'm planning. I'm striving to learn myself. So guys, let's meet in day 15. Let's see how day 15 will be. I don't know as well how it will be, but let's play. I manage to pass through the challenges. I manage to improve in anything or something. ChatGPT will aid me to consider subscribing, consider liking, consider commenting, consider even sharing the video to those you think may need this challenge as well. Mahad, and this is my 30-day challenge using ChatGPT to become a confident public speaker. See you in the next video, which is day 15. Bye bye.